Let us now have an example in solving problems involving fractions, decimals, and percentage. So we have here the first example problem. We have the denominator of a fraction exceeds the number by 5. If 3 will be added to the both numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 3 over 4 or 3/4. Find the fraction. So we have here the given the fraction that we need to determine. So let's have the solution. So first statement said that the denominator of a fraction exceeds the number or the numerator by 5. So we have let's say that the number is x. So we have x be the number. So we have x as our numerator, then our denominator exceeds that with 5. So we have plus 5 for the denominator. So this will be our first equation. So second statement says that if 3 will be added to both denominator and numerator, the fraction will be equals or becomes 3/4. So we have x plus 3 over x plus 5 plus 3. So this becomes 3 over 4. So this will be our second equation. Now, let us simplify this x plus 3 over x plus 5 plus 3. So we have x plus 3 over x plus 3 plus x plus 5 rather plus 3, that is equals to x plus 8. So equals to 3/4. So now let's solve for the value of our x. So we have to cross multiply these fractions to this fraction. So we have x plus 3 multiplied by 4 equals to 3 multiplied by x plus 8. So let's expand the equation. We have 4 multiplied by x plus 3. So we have 4 times x, we have 4x. Then 4 times 3, that is plus 12, equals to 3 times x, that is 3x. 3 times positive 8, that is positive 24. So let's combine similar terms. So we have here 3x, then we have here 4x. So let's transpose 3x here in our left side. So we have 4x. When we transpose values from other side, we need to change the sign. So we have minus 3x. So we have here remaining 24. So the constant in our left side is positive 12. So when we transpose to the right side, we have negative 12. So 4x minus 3x, that's equals to x, equals to 24 minus 12, we have 12. So the value of our x is 12. Therefore, this is our fraction. So let's substitute the value of our x, which is equals to 12. So we have 12 over 12 plus 5. So we have 12 to your numerator, then 12 plus 5, we have 70. So the fraction that we are looking for is 12 over 70. Let us have this problem number 2. Alex drank 62% of a glass of water. What fraction of a glass of water did Alex drink? So we have here a problem involving percentage, and we are looking to the fraction of that percentage. So let's convert the 62% of a glass of water to the fraction. So we have here the solution. So to convert the percentage to fraction, we need to first divide the 62% given by 100. So this will becomes 62 over 100. So we need to get the simplified form of this fraction. How would that be? So let's divide both numerator and denominator with 10. So we have 10 divided by 10. This 10 over 10 is simply 1. So it's just, it will not affect. It will just simplify our fraction. So 62 divided by 10, we have 6.2. 100 divided by 10, we have equals to 10. So dividing both the numerator to 10 will have this fraction 6.2 over 10. So our answer to 62%, when we convert it into fraction, we have 6.2 over 10. Now let us have the third and the last problem. So we have here, David buys 3 pens where the price is 7.5 pesos each, and the 4 pencils where the price is 6.75 pesos each. If he gets 10% discount in the total bill, how much does he have to pay? So let us have the given. So we have here 3 pens. So these 3 pens cost 7.5 or 7 and 50 cents each. And we have the 4 pencils, which are 6 pesos and 75 cents each. So it says here that he will get a 10% discount in the total bill. So how much does he have to pay? So we are looking for the, so find total. So let's have here our solution. So first, we need to find the total bill. So this total, of course, with discount. So we're looking for the amount that David has to pay. So let's compute for the total bill. Total sum B. So this is equals to 3 pence multiplied by 7.5 pesos, because each pen is cost 7.5. Then we add the 4 pencils that he will also buy, or he buys. So we have 4 times 6.75 pesos each, because the pencils cost 6.75 pesos. So let's solve the total bill. So we have 3 multiplied by 7.5, that is equals to 22.5 pesos. Then we'll add 4 times 6.75, so we have equals to 27 pesos. So adding the 2, we have 49 pesos and 50 cents. So let's put peso sign. So this is the total bill supposedly of David. So now let's calculate the total amount that he has to pay. So we have here a 10% discount. Total bill, which is discounted, so we have D here. So 49 pesos and 50 centavos will be discounted by 10%, so we're going to multiply this by 10%. So in decimal, when we convert 10% in decimal, it will be 10% divided by 100. So we have equals to 0.1. So this is the total discount. So we have equals to 49.5 multiplied by 0.1 for the 10%. That is equals to 4 pesos and 95 centavos. So to be able to get the total bill that he has to pay, we subtract total bill, which is 49 pesos and 50 centavos, the total discounted price, to the total bill. So we have 49.5 minus 4.95. So we have 44 pesos and 55 centavos. So this is the total bill or the total value that David has to pay for 3 pens and 4 pencils, which has 10% discount.